Until 5:45 p.m., the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Fulcroft, 10 miles west of Gloucester City, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Norristown, Chester, East Norton, Yeadon, Conshohocken, Fulcroft, Swarthmore, Jenkintown, Harvard, East Lansdowne, Rockledge, Wissahickon, Darby Township, Morris Park, Bryn Mawr, Trout Lake, Tacony, Broomall, and Kensington. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 331-337 northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 22. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and 10 and between mile markers 21 and 29. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 330348. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. Precautionary/preparedness actions.
1, 2, 3.